Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into TQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of August, 2024, our system has ranked TQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 7% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from nearly 30% negative to just over 10% positive. Looking at the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of around 75% over the next year, with a potential return between 40% and 129%. This suggests a price range of around $97 to $158 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQ ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The TQQQ ETF price increased by 0.85% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, rising from $68.46 to $69.04. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.96%, ranging from a low of $66.85 to a high of $69.50. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.43 billion. It is important to consider that a decline in volume during a price increase can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $85.20, while the lowest price was $30.47. Currently, the price is 18.97%, or $16.16, below the 52-week high, and 63.83%, or $121.84, below the all-time high reached on January 8, 2021, when the price hit $190.88. Recent analyses indicate that the ProShares Ultra Pro QQ, or TQQQ, may have hit its peak in July 2024, raising concerns among investors. A bearish trend in the technology sector could lead to significant losses for TQQQ in the upcoming months, especially as the market faces a lack of buying interest in major tech stocks. The current sell-off from July has continued into August, leaving many investors who anticipated a rebound feeling burned as their investments diminish. Additionally, geopolitical tensions and diverging central bank policies have contributed to heightened market uncertainty, which is reflected in increasing interest in exchange-traded fund securities lending. This dynamic suggests a growing apprehension among investors, prompting many to reconsider their strategies in light of potential economic shifts. Furthermore, the nature of leveraged exchange-traded funds like TQQQ carries inherent risks, including decay over time due to market oscillations. While historically positioned to outperform in bullish markets, their volatile nature necessitates careful scrutiny, especially for risk-averse investors. In the short term, continued weakness in the tech sector may drive TQQ lower, possibly reaching lows seen in 2022, while the long-term outlook hinges on macroeconomic conditions and investor sentiment. Overall, those invested in TQQ should remain vigilant as market dynamics evolve. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this gives a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $70.06. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $67.95. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 38 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $63.36 and $58.74. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, TQQQ has support just below today's level at $63.36. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $58.74 and $53.62. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this exchange-traded fund is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, it fluctuated by $2.65, or 3.96%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has shown an average daily volatility of 4.84%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $73.04. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $63.36. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is TQQQ ETF a wise investment choice? Currently, TQQ exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will likely remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a pessimistic view regarding this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in its technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of August, we anticipate that TQQQ will open lower by 577 cents, starting at a price of $68.46. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.